Today's video is Caillou rebuilt Aubrey the Colbie Caillat and Minnie Mouse fan house / Ungrounded. And it was inspired by Aubrey the Colbie Caillat and Minnie Mouse fan, Shamsundar 1997. Man, I can't believe that Chorus destroyed Aubrey the Colbie Caillat and Minnie Mouse fan house with a daybreak. I wonder what should I do? I know, I'm going to rebuild Aubrey the Colbie Caillat and Minnie Mouse fan house. This is going to be great. Yes, I rebuilt Aubrey the Colbie Caillat and Minnie Mouse fan house. Yeah.
Caillou, thanks for rebuilding my house. I'll be calling your parents about this.
Yeah.
Hello, is this Boris? Well, your son has rebuilt my house. Can you please unground him?
He did what? Thanks for telling me. He is going to be so ungrounded when he get back home.
You're welcome.
Caillou, thanks for rebuild Aubrey the Colbie Caillat and Minnie Mouse fan house. You're ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you so much, Dad.